Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Joseph, and in this video I'll be going through my full curly hair routine from washing to styling. Starting off, I'm making sure to properly wet my hair. As I've said severally on this channel, I have low porosity hair, and that means my hair hardly absorbs water, so I have to stay longer in the shower so my hair properly absorbs the water. Next, I'll be going in with a shampoo. I'm using this anti-dandruff shampoo, but if you are someone that is trying to curl your hair for the first time, I'll recommend you get a moisturizing shampoo that will work better. I'm using this scalp massage brush to thoroughly clean my scalp. I love this brush because it scrubs my scalp without tangling my hair. After thoroughly cleaning my scalp, I'll rinse off. You want to make sure you thoroughly rinse off all the salts from the shampoo so it doesn't cause buildup on your scalp. Next, I'll separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm doing this because I'm about to apply a hair mask. Having my hair in sections just makes the whole process easier. I won't advise using this particular hair tie I'm using. The best hair tie to use is the scrunchy kind. They are soft and gentle on your hair. I'm done sectioning my hair. The next step is to apply the hair mask. I'll be using a spray bottle, this argan oil hair mask, and a pick. First up, I'll spray my hair with water and lightly finger the tangle. Then I'll apply the mask. Throughout this process, you want to keep a spray bottle close by because water helps the product to work better. You want to make sure you are lightly spraying with water as you finger the tangle. Next, I'll go in with a pick. You can use whichever detangling tool you prefer. I'll start from the tips and gently work my way to the roots. You want to make sure you thoroughly pick through your hair to remove any knots. Next, I'll braid that section up. I don't know, I just feel this helps the product absorb better. The process is really simple and straightforward. I just repeat the same thing for the different sections. You don't have to use the product I'm using, just make sure whatever product you are using to detangle has enough slip. I'm done applying the mask and detangling. This took roughly about 30 minutes. The weather is so hot here in Nigeria, you can see I'm sweating. Anyways, I'll be using this disposable shower cap to cover my hair, just so the heat can help with absorbing the product. I'm going in with another shower cap on top of this to make it more effective. Honestly, I did leave this in my hair for about 3 hours. I was watching a movie and forgot I had it on. But let's rinse it off now. Whenever I'm working with my hair, I love doing it under the shower because the water makes it much easier to work with my hair. Water is key, guys. Guys, this is actually the next day. I was so tired after rinsing out the hair mask that I slept off. So I'll be styling my hair now. I'll be using this leave-in spray to spray my hair just to add some moisture to my hair. I love this leave-in spray because it's moisturizing and it's clear. I don't have to worry about my hair being white. Next, I'll lightly finger the tangle. To define my curls, I'll be using this Eco Styler gel. I've seen some comments about this gel not being good for black people, but it has been working well for me. I'll advise not using the gel too close to your scalp so it doesn't cause build-up. I'm mainly going through the raking motion to form the curls. I'm done with the back session and I love how it's looking. The curls look defined and moisturized. I'll do the rest off camera and get back to you guys. I'm done with my whole head and this is how it looks. The combination of products work well together to give defined and lightweight curls. After about 4 hours, this is what the dry results look like. I didn't use any form of heat to dry my hair, I just let it air dry. You can also pick the roots to add more volume, but I won't be doing that because my hair naturally gets more volume as the style gets older. These curls can easily last a week with proper maintenance, so they can last your next wash day. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you in my other videos.